Hello everybody, this is Jonathan Gardner here, and today we're going to be making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or PBJ. Apparently this is a thing that we eat in America that probably you don't eat in the rest of the world. I really enjoy them. I've enjoyed them since I was young. So here's what we do. First, you're going to need some bread, some jam, and some peanut butter. And in this case, I have some strawberry jam that we made ourselves. We took strawberries and sugar and pectin, and we made it back in July of 2013. So this stuff keeps really well. Good stuff. This is peanut butter. You can use any type of peanut butter. I like smooth peanut butter. You might like crunchy, but Skippy is known for putting, I think they put sugar in there. Yeah, they put a little bit of sugar in. You probably want to avoid the brands with lots of sugar in there and just get the stuff that's pretty much pure peanut butter. And for bread, you can use anything. This is just white bread, fat white bread. I'm just gonna use one slice and I'm gonna cut it in half. So let's see if we can do that one-handed. Ready? Turn the knife the right way. So just cut it in half. There, cut it in half. All right. Next step is you open the jar of jam, which I can do it one-handed, yes. Come on, open the jar. There we go. You take some jam, dig in there and just grab some and just put it on the bread. There. The more jam, the better. But it gets too mushy and your fingers get sticky. And nobody likes sticky fingers. There. Jam is done. You leave the jar open and leave the knife on top. That's important. My wife hates this, but that's what you're supposed to do. Then you take the peanut butter. All right, there we go. And you wipe off your little jam knife here on your bread. And you grab some peanut butter. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it smells good. It smells like peanuts. Roasted peanuts is what it smells like. Then you put that on the bread. Oh no. Come on. Oh, one-handed, I need a cameraman. You. Anyway, young kids can make this. It's you don't need a PhD or anything. There, that's good enough. That's actually going to be pretty good. So you got some jam, you got some peanut butter, and you just mush it together. Just like this. There. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. No, this is so good. I don't know what country you're in, but if you don't have peanut butter and jelly and bread, I feel sorry for you. In fact, when I was in Korea, I had a hard time finding peanut butter, but you can get it. So I always had a jar of peanut butter around. No, this needs more peanut butter. It's not peanut butter enough. Let's do some brain surgery here. Let's grab some more peanut butter. It should stick to the gums. It should stick to the roof of your mouth there. All right. Put it together there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. It's so filling too. It's just the peanut butter is really fatty, lots of protein in there, and it's sticky. And the bread. This is how Americans make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So it's not fancy. It's really simple. You just eat it. I love peanut butter. So good. More peanut butter. Oh, a little bit more. All right, the last step is the cleanup. You take the bread. You take the jam. And you take the knife. Clean it off. This is why I do peanut butter last. It's sticky. It's hard to get off. And you put that on there. All right, what does peanut butter and jelly taste like? Peanut butter is nothing like Vegemite. I guess maybe the texture is a little bit similar. But peanut butter tastes like roasted peanuts. Like if you took a mouthful of roasted peanuts and chewed on it, that's peanut butter. That's all it is, really. There's nothing else in there. Look at the ingredients here. Ingredients. Roasted peanuts, sugar, palm oil, and salt. So they list in the order of quantity. So there's more sugar in this thing than salt. And you can see down here, it says total carbs 6 grams, for a serving size of 2 tablespoons. So that's like 2 big fat spoons. Only has 6 grams, so just a little bit of sugar. It's all peanuts, and you can make it at home if you wanted to. You just grab a bunch of roasted peanuts. If you have fresh peanuts, you break them open, you roast them, then you just grind them up. It makes peanut butter, and there's the peanut oil that comes out. That's really good too. And jam, this tastes just like strawberries and sugar. You know, that's all it is really. Just strawberries and sugar and pectin. Literally, strawberries plus sugar plus pectin. So we buy strawberries when they're cheap in the summer. We chop them up, we mash them up, and then we put, I don't even think we mash them up, we just chop them up. We put a bunch of sugar in there, some pectin, and then we can them. The way you can it is you make a big pot and then you make sure the cans are sterilized and you can them. That's an American tradition, is canning stuff as well. There's cleanup. We're done. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you're not in the United States, and if you're not an American, I'd enjoy hearing your responses to making your own peanut butter jelly sandwich. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.